Hey, how's it going everybody? This is Alex speaking in Shenzhen, China. It's a beautiful day here in China. How's the weather in your country? Today, I'm gonna show you one of our new products. It's called Elastic Buckle Strap. Now here it is. Do you know this product? Have you ever used this before? If not, I'm gonna show you how to use it. Here we go. Welcome back everybody. As you can see, it's really easy to use. You can use it on your mailbox. If you have never used this product before, if you want to try to use it, just feel free to call me or send me emails. I'll send you some samples. Alright, that's all for today. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.